In this short video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the new AI Elon crypto token or any other crypto token, coin, cryptocurrency in general, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, using MetaMask. You can get the AI Elon token for a 15% discount during our pre-sale. The AI Elon token is an exciting new project. It powers the AI Elon chatbot and gives you benefits like a 20% discount on subscriptions and access to weekly airdrops. MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet. It allows you to buy a huge number of different cryptocurrencies or swap cryptocurrencies one for another. The process for doing this is going to be the same if you're on a desktop computer or if you're on your phone. The difference being, though, that if you're on a desktop computer, you're going to be adding the MetaMask extension to your web browser. You can do that if you're using Chrome or Edge or Opera. You can do that by just going to your extensions and adding the MetaMask extension. If you're on your phone, you're just going to add the MetaMask app. After you've added it, the setup process is extremely easy. If you're on a computer, it's just going to ask you to add the extension, and then it's going to give you this secret phrase. You're going to want to keep this secret phrase. You're going to want to keep it in a text file somewhere safe, or take a screenshot of it and keep it somewhere safe. Because in the setup process, they're going to actually ask you some of these words from this phrase. And what this phrase will also allow you to do is, say you lose your phone and you've got to download the app again, you can re-import your wallet by just supplying this phrase. It's also going to give you a secret key that you're going to need to keep. Just make sure that you keep it in a safe place. But once you've got the app or the extension set up and you've got your new wallet, up here are the different networks that you can connect to. The AI Elon token is on the Polygon blockchain. And so up here, you're going to want to select Polygon mainnet. And at this point, if you already have Matic tokens, you can skip ahead in this video to where we actually swap out for the AI Elon tokens. If you do not have Matic, which is the native cryptocurrency for Polygon, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to buy some by clicking on the buy sell button, and that's going to bring you to this screen. We're just going to buy $5 worth of Matic and make sure that this is switched to Matic, and you're going to want the Matic token on the Polygon network. You can also switch to the Polygon network up here just to make sure you're getting the right token, and that's going to give us different quotes. You're going to have to pay a little bit of a gas fee. In this quote that we got, we're going to be paying about 33 cents in a gas fee, and it gives you different options from where you can buy from. We're going to buy through Stripe, which is Link, but this is very reputable. Some banking providers, they may reject the purchase if you're using some of these more unknown ones. But with Stripe, it seems to always go through. The other thing that you're going to need to do is click the Connect MetaMask button. That's going to give you this pop-up, and then you're just going to want to select the wallet that you want to purchase with. And you can create multiple different wallets. So now we're just going to click the Continue to Stripe button, and we're going to click Continue. Now, if you already don't have a Stripe account, you're going to need to set one up. They just ask you a few basic questions and ask you for your email address, or if you already have a Stripe account, they may ask you to verify. And then they're going to ask you to confirm your wallet, review order. They're going to ask you to select a payment method. You can input your credit card. Click Review Order, and then click Pay. After that, you're going to see a message sending this amount of Matic to your wallet. It may take a few minutes. Don't worry if it takes a few minutes to show up. We're going to go back to our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so now we've got the Matic in our wallet, and we can swap that out for AI Elon tokens. So if we come back to the AI Elon token page, we can say how many Matic we want to exchange for AI Elon. The current exchange rate at a 15% discount is one Matic will get you 400 AI Elon tokens. We're going to go ahead and just purchase 3. Click the Buy Now button. We're going to want to select the MetaMask wallet. That's going to give us another pop-up, and we're going to want to select the wallet that we've got the Matic in. Click Connect. That's going to give us another pop-up where we're going to want to confirm the transaction. For this transaction, you're going to have another gas fee, but it's not going to be as much, just 4 cents. And we can click Confirm. And this transaction will be confirmed. You'll get a success message. You can just click OK. And then the final step is going to be to add these tokens into our MetaMask wallet so we can see them. To do that, you're going to click on the token address button, and you're going to want to click the Import Tokens link and the Custom Tokens tab, and then paste that token address. It's going to say AIELON. Click Next. It's going to show the amount of AIELON that you have, and then just click Import. We can go back out to our Tokens tab, and we now see our Matic and our AI Elon in our wallet. This is how easy it is to buy AI Elon and get in on this exciting project. Connect with us on socials. Do us a favor and share our project with your network.